and this homepage URL. Probably you know the way we click. See this button right? That worked the button. So we'll use a kind of short click buttons over here. The home link text is an optional item. The header navigation that links to the homepage URL to maximize space for navigation. Use a name less than 10 characters as such. Let's see. URL we have to give for title. This URL we have to give and home link text. Yes. Yes, again, client will give us those text. What is the text? It has to be done. And this height search for jobs link. This, I was also not pretty sure on this. Okay, and when it comes to default sidebar, whatever we created, we can just check that. This one sidebar. Okay. And actually, as I said, it includes about the company welcome message. What is the job requisition? How it will impact. So everything very, very important. The sidebar and branding actually. And we can use starter application message like welcome. Thanks for sharing your details. Or welcome, like that. And when it comes to prospect, introduce yourself. We have to enable this option. So in this we can enable. So header, link and page title will be there. So this is introduce yourself. So, as you know what is meant by prospect, so prospect is nothing but in day. One also explained a person who is looking out for job, but he didn't apply for any job openings till now. He's considered as a prospect. So once you click on apply button, then he'll become an active candidate, which will go into the review stage of job application. As I said, again, based upon the performance, he'll be moving forward or decline, whatever it is. So page instruction text like, please fill in the basic details. Suppose you require email address, you can give option, email address, phone number. Or resume attachment mandatory. We'll keep because this is important. And you're giving all the resume. Should be there, right? So that is what. And when it comes to default opt-in terms, like this will be given by client. This could be a link or privacy link, or it might be a text also sometimes. So what are the terms which will be given by client? Again, this privacy, sometimes text also. So here. And when it comes to opt-in terms based on country, sometimes what happens is terms and conditions will be different, right? For example, US. US opt-in terms. I mean that will be different. What is the terms and conditions we can add over here? India? I think the details will again. Client will tell. So no need to worry. As I said, this is quite easy one. An opt-in consent, like I would say, please give. I will give the consent. For the details, which will be needed. Like that. See this opt-in consent. I would say, like this message appears to the prospect before they select the checkbox. I mean to provide the consent. When he is providing all the details he'll get to know. You know, like this thing. Or they track the consent, like his messages, languages, and a moment of acceptance for this. And we are taking few details as well. Like we are taking few details from you. Is it okay with you? Like that it will populate, actually his consent. Like that. And auto open source. Like we can define the source from where we came to know about the carrier site. Let's say LinkedIn, Facebook. I would say like that. Where is the source? Like what should be the source? Or we should consider for the prospect if, by chance, this source become a candidate, because what happens again? This prospect will become a candidate, right? So we need to know now itself. Where is the source he is getting? So where is the source he is calling? So auto open source like LinkedIn, Facebook. And auto tag to candidate pool. So if the prospect becomes a candidate, then which pool he will be tagged? So there will be like pools, like some pools. Definitely you know few pools they'll be using for hiring purpose. Or it will be like owned by recruiters. Or it might be restricted for particular job requisitions. So there will be, see here you will get some pools, okay. See, there are a lot of pools. Several medalists pool something. So we'll get to know everything. Detail client will tell us. Suppose, if there are few other pools also which will be maintained, like we can add a lot of candidates to that pools. This candidate pools and all. I'll explain you detail. You know when we go into that topic. Which that's what I'm not explaining as of now. And when it comes to auto tag candidate, auto tag with candidate tag, these tags are used actually, you know, in the reports like maintain candidate tags, all those things. And when it comes to confirmation message like thank you for providing us the details, like that I would say. Thank you for providing. the details like that and anything which should be populated by clicking on the Submit button. Like, once we click on Submit button, it will tell this confirmation message. Like that. I would say, then we'll call them. Again, we have some errors. We have to fill a few more other things as well. Any doubts so far? Nothing as of now. Because what happens, We'll go a little slowly.